Hey, so just looking at this property real quickly, the first thing I would do on this is do a quick and dirty ARV. So pull up investor base and do the retail comps. We've got 138. Realtor.com thinks it's worth 159. And then Zillow has got it at, I think 141. So if you take all those three and add them together and then average them, you're at 146, which I still think might be high based on looking at this map. We can look at the map in Zillow of the solds. So what we got sold in the neighborhood, you've got a 114, an 88, and a 152 there. When you look on investor base, 160, 165, 180 and 80, but you got to throw out the high one, maybe throw out the low one, but we're somewhere in this. At full retail, we're 125 to 150, 160. There's nothing here over 200. So if she thinks it's 250, then we don't really have a conversation with her, right? She has to have her mind that her house is worth around 150, 160 max for us to even talk to her.